everyone. So today I'm going to make a worksheet, and I'll first of all I will start by making parrot. So today I will draw a cute parrot. So start drawing along with me. So first of all I will make the upper side of the parrot, head, then now I will draw the beak of the parrot. We know parrots used to have curved beaks. So just try to make it curve. Now I will make the eyes. Generally I love to make cute drawings, easy drawings, so that everyone can draw and enjoy. So just draw this like this. Now the eye I have made. Now the rest of the body. And when I will complete this drawing, then after that I will use it. I use it for making worksheets, sometime for storytelling, even to teach about birds to children. You can use it as a word on the wall also, stick it on the wall as a sticker. So you can do many things. So when you draw, it's a process which we enjoy. So drawing, I love to draw actually. My main thing is I love to draw. And I am a principal in a school. So I use it for educational purpose also. So I just draw, I keep on drawing different thing, and with kids we require, we use so many visuals. So after that I use it with kids. Sometime I make a worksheet, sometime puppets, sometime I can make something like they can show and tell. So they can just have a puppet on their hands and they can make some lines on birds. So many activities you can do. Use it make your own book, keep it on a file, and use it according to the purpose. Now the feathers, and now you can make. So now you can see I have drawn the parrot, the cute parrots which you can easily draw, and now I will color it. Now I will use pencil color in this. So I can just do the base with yellow color. So just color it yellow. Now I will give it a shading of brown color on the sides. So just give a shade of brown color and color it like this. You have to color the parrot in a colorful way. Okay, so I have colored my parrot. It is I've already done, so little bit of shading and it's a colorful parrot. So I've already told you that whenever I use to draw something, then after that I use it for educational purpose. And even I take workshops for teachers also and teach them how to draw cute drawings and how to use them for educational purpose. So okay, after this what you can do, you can make P. This is P and this is P. Now pre-nursery class can just color it, and then you can teach nursery class how to write P within the lines and cursive also. Then you can tell them the spelling of parrot to your LKG students, and to UKG student you can tell them that this is a common noun. So parrot is a common noun. And then even you can do an activity of show and tell. Cut this parrot, even you can cut this parrot, make a puppet, and the child can hold it in a hand and make few lines about parrot they can tell. So some lines I have already, even I can tell you that parrots are the beautiful birds. They have curved beaks and have colorful feathers. Parrots are omnivorous. Parrots are known as intelligent birds. Parrots can imitate the voice of humans. The color and shape of the parrots differ from the species and regions. So I hope you must have enjoyed my drawing and some ideas which I have given you. Make your own book worksheet. It's very easy and very interesting actually. So okay, till my next video, I just want to say a bye to all of you.